Opening scene, a stunning cinematic shot of the 2025 Rapido 605F Campervan at an indoor exhibition, showcasing its sleek design with soft background music playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the campervan enthusiasts out there. This is the 2025 Rapido 605F, a compact yet luxurious motorhome designed for those who love adventure without compromising comfort. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this campervan is packed with everything you need to travel in style. Let's start with the exterior. The 605F features a sleek and aerodynamic design, making it not only visually appealing, but also fuel-efficient on long drives. The white body with modern black and gray accents gives it a premium look, and its streamlined shape helps with aerodynamics. At the front, the large windshield offers excellent visibility, and the LED headlights ensure a clear view of the road, even on those late-night drives. The side mirrors are extended for better rear visibility, which is crucial when maneuvering. In tight spaces, the overall design isn't just about looks, it's built to enhance performance and efficiency on the road. Moving to the side, you'll find a large tinted window that provides natural light inside while maintaining privacy. The entry door is well placed for easy access, and just below, there are multiple storage compartments for all your travel essentials. This means you don't have to worry about running out of space for your gear, camping equipment, or even extra supplies for longer trips. And for those who enjoy outdoor living, the 605F can be equipped with an awning to create a shaded outdoor space, perfect for relaxing on sunny days. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior, which is where the Rapido 605F truly shines. As you enter, you're immediately greeted by a spacious and stylish living area. The seating arrangement is designed for both comfort and functionality, featuring high-quality upholstery and a foldable table that can be adjusted to suit your needs. Whether you're dining, working, or just relaxing with friends and family, this space is built for versatility. The large windows bring in plenty of natural light during the day, and in the evening, soft LED lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped with everything you need to prepare meals on the go. There's a modern stove, a sink with a high-quality faucet, a refrigerator to keep your food fresh, and ample storage cabinets for all your kitchen essentials. The smart layout ensures you have enough counter space while keeping everything within easy reach. Whether you're making a quick coffee in the morning or cooking a full meal after a day of exploring, this kitchen setup is perfect for van life. Now, let's talk about the sleeping area. The 605F comes with a comfortable and spacious bed that ensures a good night's sleep no matter where you are. The high-quality mattress and cozy bedding make it feel just like home. There are also overhead storage compartments for your personal belongings, keeping everything organized and within reach. One of the standout features of this campervan is the bathroom. Unlike many compact motorhomes that sacrifice bathroom space, the Rapido 605F includes a well-designed wet bath with a toilet, sink, and a shower. The layout maximizes space without feeling cramped, and the high-quality fixtures add to the overall premium feel. This means you don't have to rely on public restrooms or campsites to have everything you need right inside your van. When it comes to technology and convenience, Rapido has equipped this model with the latest features. A digital control panel allows you to monitor power levels, water supply, and temperature settings with ease. USB charging ports and power outlets are strategically placed throughout the interior to keep your devices charged. The heating and air conditioning system ensure a comfortable environment no matter the weather conditions outside. Driving the Rapido 605F is a breeze, thanks to its smooth handling and efficient engine. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the campervan is designed to provide a comfortable and stable ride. The fuel efficiency is impressive for a motorhome of this size, making long-distance travel more affordable. Overall, the 2025 Rapido 605F is an excellent choice for those looking for a stylish, functional, and comfortable campervan. It perfectly balances size, luxury, and practicality, making it a great option for both new and experienced travelers. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple, or even a small family, this motorhome has everything you need to make unforgettable road trips. What do you think about the 2025 Rapido 605F? Would this be your ideal campervan for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for